An LLC number is a crucial identifier for your business, but where exactly do you find it, and what's its significance? Let's unravel the mystery of LLC numbers and EINs. An LLC number, often referred to as an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is a 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to identify your business for tax purposes. Think of it as a social security number for your company. While the terms LLC number and EIN are often used interchangeably, it's worth noting that some states may issue their own LLC identification numbers for state-specific purposes. Why is this number so important? An LLC number is essential for various business operations. You'll need it to file your taxes, open business bank accounts, hire employees, and build your business credit. It's a key that unlocks many doors in the business world. Now, how do you find your LLC number if you've misplaced it? There are several ways. First, check the EIN confirmation letter you received from the IRS when you initially applied. If you can't locate this, look through your business tax returns or bank statements, as these often include your EIN. You can also use the IRS's online EIN assistant tool, or as a last resort, contact the IRS directly. If you're a new business owner and need to apply for an EIN, the process is straightforward. The easiest and fastest method is to apply online through the IRS website. You'll receive your EIN immediately upon completing the application. Alternatively, you can apply by fax or mail, though these methods take longer. For international applicants, there's also a phone option available. When applying, you'll need to provide information such as your LLC's legal name, the name of the responsible party, and your business's principal address. It's advisable to wait until your LLC is approved by your state before applying for an EIN to ensure everything aligns correctly. It's crucial to keep your LLC number secure. If you suspect your number has been compromised, act quickly. Contact the IRS immediately to report the situation and get advice on protecting your business. Monitor your financial accounts closely for any suspicious activity, and consider updating your business records with financial institutions. Remember, your LLC number is more than just a string of digits. It's a vital component of your business identity. Keep it safe, use it wisely, and let it help your business thrive in the complex world of commerce and taxation.